Everybody knows that Chief Minister Revanth Reddy's lucky number is 9. The 117 seats that he declared that he would win in next election also sums up to 9. Interestingly, he says he'll be Chief Minister till 2034, which also sums up to 9. His car numbers are 9, and the place where he sits in Secretariat is also 9th floor. He believes in numerology, and 9 being his number. Maybe that's the reason that he said 117, but and that too 36 months before, which again adds to 9. 9 being his lucky number, is that the reason, or what is something we have to understand? Because 36 months before, nobody generally predicts how many seats they will win. He very confidently predicted it. In this, he's giving a message to his party cadre that they have to work very hard. Secondly, he is giving a message to those fence sitters who are indecisive whether to be with Congress, be in BR, go to BRS or other parties. For them, this is a message that they are going to come. There is no point in sitting on the fence. Make a decision now. This apart, he's trying to groom leaders that there is going to be a delimitation, and when the delimitation is going to happen, the seats are going to increase. So he's asking people to groom themselves. The advantage that he has here is BRS at this moment is in their membership drive. They are yet to identify candidates for all those constituencies, 180 plus constituencies that we might get after delimitation. BJP also has to identify their candidates for this thing. So in 36 months before, if this is happening, it only means that it is a message to boost morale of the cadre. And this came as a reaction to a survey that KTR was quoting, that 78 seats as on day, if elections are won, will be with BRS, and BRS would form a government. Now, he was trying to negate that survey by saying that eventually it's not going to be 119 seats, and that 117 is a very huge number to win. That survey from KTR was one reason why he would have said that. This apart, he also claimed that surveys will not be done now, and 78 kind of survey does not reflect the public mood. What Revanth Reddy did is a prediction. What KTR said is a survey. There's a difference between a prediction and a survey. So what will happen in Telangana would be something that we have to watch in 2028 to 29 than what we are doing in 2026.